Desert Rose Bonsai, botanically known as Adenium obesum, is one of those plants that instantly grabs attention. With its thick sculptural trunk and vibrant blooms, it looks exotic, but surprisingly, it's not difficult to grow once you understand its basic needs. This desert native loves bright, direct sunlight. A sunny south-facing window is perfect. The more light it receives, the stronger the trunk develops and the better it flowers. In low light, growth becomes weak and stretched, and blooming slows down. Warm temperatures are essential, and cold nights below 40 degrees Fahrenheit can stress the plant. Because this bonsai stores water in its swollen base, it behaves very much like a succulent. Always allow the soil to dry out completely before watering again. When it's time to water, do it thoroughly and let all excess drain out. During winter, reduce watering significantly since growth slows or pauses completely. Well-draining soil is critical. A sandy cactus or succulent mix works best because heavy soil can trap moisture and cause root rot. Make sure the pot has proper drainage holes. Without them, even careful watering won't prevent problems. During spring and summer, feeding once a month with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength encourages healthy growth and blooms. If the plant goes dormant in winter and drops leaves, stop fertilizing until new growth appears. Pruning plays a big role in shaping this bonsai. Trimming long or leggy stems just above a leaf node encourages branching and creates a fuller canopy. Fresh cuts often stimulate new growth, and more branches usually mean more flowers. Propagation is simple through stem cuttings. Take a healthy cutting in the growing season. Let the cut end dry for a couple of days. Then plant it in a lightly moist sandy mix. Keep it in bright light and slightly moist soil until roots form, usually within several weeks. Common issues include pests like mealybugs, spider mites, and aphids. These can be wiped away with rubbing alcohol and rinsed off gently. Yellow soft leaves usually indicate overwatering, while dry yellow patches may signal too much harsh sunlight. Repotting is needed every couple of years or when the swollen trunk starts crowding the container. Early spring is ideal. Choose a wide, shallow pot to enhance the bonsai look and help the soil dry faster. Always handle carefully, as the sap is toxic to humans and pets. For consistent blooming, focus on 3 things: strong sunlight, proper feeding, and controlled watering. When happy, this plant rewards you with bold pink, red, or deep purple flowers in spring and sometimes again in summer. Desert Rose Bonsai grows slowly, but that's part of its charm. Over time, it becomes a living sculpture that reflects the care you give it. If this helped you understand how to care for it better, like the video and subscribe for more clear, practical plant care guides.